It has been many years since we have seen the cycle rickshaw being replaced by electric ones. Especially in Delhi, you can spot many near metro stations that take you to destinations close by. Now, one might think, why are cycle rickshaws being replaced if they are already green? They weren't emitting any harmful components. But the reason why we think it was necessary to move to e-rickshaws, or as popularly called by the young generation today, e-ricks, is because they have better efficiency. Let's find out how. Now, when a cycle rickshaw is moving on the road, the speed of the vehicle is pretty slow, which might cause traffic jams, and also it is a very tedious task for the person driving the cycle rickshaw. With e-rickshaws, they are more comfortable not only for the driver but for the rider as well. Electric rickshaws can also accommodate more people, which increases their viability as public transport. And since it's battery operated, it is also good for a little longer distance or even hilly areas where cycle rickshaws might become a problem. The e-rickshaws have also evolved in the last couple of years, not just in terms of their design, but also in their registration procedure. Earlier, just like a cycle rickshaw, the e-rickshaws also had no number plates, which made it difficult for the government to keep a track of its drivers and track any mishaps that might have happened. So, now any e-rickshaw you see has a number plate. Another advantage that e-rickshaws offer is that it is cheaper for an individual when compared to cycle rickshaws. If there are more people traveling, the more the cost gets divided. E-rickshaws are more feasible in congested areas as they move faster and do not cause pollution. The e-rickshaw needs a charge after about 6 to 8 hours approximately. E-rickshaws have made the commute from metro stations or bus stops to the end destinations much easier. This also helps encourage people to use public transport as it increases efficiency in terms of time and cost. Have you ever chosen an e-rick? What do you think about them? Are they safe? For more news and views on EVs, follow this space and you won't miss any updates. Until next time, ride easy, ride EV.